Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Whenever you want to make a major purchase, be it a car, boat, or a home, you're most likely going to get a loan. Whether you get one from a bank, a mortgage company, or your Uncle Tommy, the loan giver will probably want to make sure their interests are protected if you don't pay. As well as charging you interest, they're most likely going to ask you to sign a secure loan agreement. If you're applying for a loan or considering giving one, you need to know what a secured loan agreement is and how you can use it. When you've entered a secured loan, you are telling the creditor that you will pay according to the loan agreement. If you don't, the creditor can take the property, commonly called collateral, that you have used to secure the loan. This is most commonly found in car loans or home mortgages, for example. If you don't pay as agreed, the creditor has the right to repossess the car or foreclose on the home. Secured loan agreements need to have some specific information in them, as well as the amount loaned, the interest, and the manner of repayments. It should make it clear the duties the parties have to each other, how a default's handled, what happens in the event of damage, what can the lender do with the secured property. An Emery secured loan agreement will make all of these things clear so both parties are sure of their position, rights, and responsibilities. This document also includes a simple loan agreement that may be preferred in some circumstances.